So we got a temporary resident of E22 here. Deuce. You know who that is? And I've been working on a songwriting process, just about having like an alternate style, or going against the grain and having your own sound or look or way of doing something, play on words. Yeah, I don't know, kind of hard to structure a song starting off, but my next song I want to just keep simple. But yeah, I'm just gonna sing to a cat and keep it simple. Simply singing to a cat. It bats an eye. Bats an eye at me. You know how cats are just like, they'll just be like they'll be like laying there like sprawled out, pancaked, and then they'll be like barely open an eye. Deuce. What are you doing? Let's research. Nap attacks. Weird. Like John will say something and he'll be like give like a sliver of his attention.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I guess this has to be a part 2.